Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, I recommend to check is your device have the latest software version. Go to the settings, I have it in the general. Right here we have software update, check if you have the latest version and update if you haven't. Next step is to perform software reset. To perform a software reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone, and then you need to open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. Then your earbuds reconnect to your phone automatically. Sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. Then go to the settings, Bluetooth for connected devices, and tap at your earbuds at the device list. Next, if the software reset didn't help you, you need to check it. We need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly you need to locate touch area at your right earbud, or locate it at the back side, right here at the top. And you need to press 6 times at your right earbud. Then you will see the red LED light. If you not see, you need to repeat this process. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did we have the red LED light? No. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go, finally. Then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then click forget this device or forget device, or maybe you have unpair or remove or something else. And forget device. Now, if you have Android, at the top click pair new device button, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. Then put your earbuds to the charging case, close the case, now remove them from the case. Your earbuds enter to pink mode automatically, you know it by the LED light what blinking red and blue. So we just enter pink mode, and we should see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!